everybody and welcome back. It's currently Monday. I think it's just gone 8 o'clock. I need to leave. I need to walk to work. It should take me about 40 minutes, half hour. And I start at 9, so yeah, I should probably leave. But yeah, let's go. Say hi. Hello. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Hey guys, finished work. The longest day ever. Finally off tomorrow, and you're off tomorrow as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
We're gonna go out for lunch. Excited?
Yeah, if you're paying.
Great. Payday and I'm paying, yeah? No, I said that I would treat you, didn't I? But yeah, we're going to head home now and I'm cooking dinner as well.
Yep.
So yeah, that should be fun. Okay then, not that exciting, but you get chicken mash and gravy. Oh, you sound happy.
I'm happy.
I've been to work too, you know. I've cooked
Thank
you
you.
dinner. I would like to sit down.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy, yeah? You want your knife and fork? Yeah? There you go then.
Yeah.
You say thank you?
Thank you.
That's it. Enjoy.
I will.
Right, it's a bit later now. We've had our dinner and I thought that I would show you my new skin routine. It's kind of the first step still the same. I still use this to take my makeup off, but I've added 3 new products. I've only been using them for about a week, but I don't know, I think my skin is clearing up a bit and hopefully it should work. But yeah, I would use this and then I would go in with the Nivea Sensitive Cleansing Milk, which is so nice on the skin, like so nice, and it smells amazing. It kind of reminds me of the almond milk and honey products from Body Shop. But yeah, that is what I do next. Then I would go over with the Nivea Refreshing Toner. Again, that makes me feel all nice, clean and refreshed. And then I will go in with the Nivea Soothing Night Cream 24-hour moisturizing. And that is my new kind of routine, I guess. Hasn't changed much, but definitely recommend. everybody, happy Tuesday. We're heading off out to grab a few bits and then we're going out for lunch, aren't we?
For the first time in
A long time, yeah. And we will obviously show you where we go and what we get up to, but yeah, catching with you later, guys.
Bye.
Right, we've come to the Amex Stadium because there's a new football t-shirt out, and Matt just goes to me, do you want anything?
You might want a shirt.
Oh yeah, of
Why
course. No, I don't want absolutely nothing.
Okay.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye. You got a bit of a walk.
That's enough for.
Bye.
Bye.
Off he goes. Bye. Got excited this morning. The new shirt has come out, so he was like gonna order it, or he was like, nah, wanna come buy one. So off he goes. See you in a bit. Here he comes. He's coming. Looks like he's got something. It don't take long. Maybe like 5-10 minutes. Come on then. What did you get then?
Just a t-shirt.
You didn't get your dad nothing.
Well, I didn't know what I should get him.
Oh, too late.
I had a
now.
look, but I didn't really see anything he might like, so
Okay then. Gonna show and share.
I might try on.
Try it on.
I heard people talking in there saying that the size is tighter this season, so I need to get a
Did
size
you not
up.
get anything on the back?
Huh?
Really?
No.
I don't like that.
You can get things on the back if you wanted to.
Yeah, you got. I don't
She
like
did
that.
ask me to, but I didn't want to.
And how much is that?
That's 52. It's football shirt, that's how much they all are.
£52.
Some people's are more than that.
I prefer the other one. I don't like the stripes on the bottom. It looks like a fucking skirt or something. Alright then. If you're happy, you're happy. Are you
Alright.
actually gonna wear it?
We'll see, I want to try it on.
Okay then. Alright.
Yeah, it's a bit tight. People said it was going to be tight, but it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Don't look fat.
Well, I don't know, it's just a belly. No, it looks fine. What size did you get?
A medium.
Oh. What about, does it fit on the arms?
Yeah.
Okay then, well hopefully you'll lose a bit of weight. And likewise with me. See, we just had dinner, lunch in Harvester. It was nice again to eat out. We haven't eaten out in like 4 or 5 months. So yeah, it was very nice. We are currently in the marina. We went to Harvester, if anyone was wondering. Matt is just filling up his car with oil. And then we're popping to see my mum and then going to Pets at Home, B&Q and Sainsbury's. Been a while. We have just seen my mum and now we're heading back up to Crawley where we live and going to Sainsbury's and B&Q. So yeah, let's go. It's currently gone into B&Q to get a drill. I'm just waiting and then we'll pop into Sainsbury's. And is it just me or do you hate it when you're in a car park and you park like away from everyone and there's like loads of spaces and then a great big thing has to come like right next to you. Like, so annoying. There's loads of empty spaces, but they come and park right next to you. Sorry, it just like really annoys me. Had to like rant about that bit, but yeah, hopefully it shouldn't be too long, and then we shall go to Sainsbury's. Hello. It's like a couple days later now. When did we last film? Tuesday. It's now Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's my day off. It's currently like nearly 7 o'clock in the evening. I've been to work for the last 2 days. The weather's absolutely beautiful. And tomorrow's Friday and it's meant to be like 32 degrees. I'm like, what? Sorry, 32 degrees. Oh yeah, can we just ignore the makeup line? I had a shower and it's come off, so I need to take the rest of this off at some point, but yeah, ignore. But yeah, 32 degrees. What? It's gonna be too hot to sit in, I think. But yeah. Just cooking some pizza for dinner. Not that exciting. Tomorrow I'm off. I shall film what I do and get up to tomorrow. Probably not a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys had a nice week. And I'll catch up with you later. Hello. It's now Friday, my day off. Excuse, I have just washed my hair. There you go, that's a bit better. But yeah, I have just washed my hair. Probably not gonna do much today. It is too hot for my liking. It's like 32 degrees here in the UK today, and I'm not feeling it. So yeah, Matt's currently at work. He finishes around 4, half 4, depends when he finishes dropping everything off to people, and he's actually going out later this evening with loads of his old workmates. They're all going to a pub to have a few drinks and say goodbye because they won't be working together anymore. But yeah, probably gonna end the vlog here. Sorry, it's been like a short little one, as obviously everyone's back to work now. It's a bit difficult, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and come join our little family of subscribers. And yeah, see you in our next video, guys. Bye.